Thursday marks the first anniversary of the deadly attack on the U.S. Capitol on January 6, 2021. In a televised speech marking the attack, President Biden denounced former President Donald Trump for promoting lies and tearing down democracy, accusing Trump and his allies of holding a dagger at the throat of America.
You can't love your country only when you win. You can't obey the law only when it's convenient. You can't be patriotic when you embrace and enable lies. Those who stormed this Capitol, and those who instigated and incited, and those who called on them to do so, held a dagger at the throat of America, at American democracy.
A mob of Trump supporters stormed the Capitol building on January 6 last year in an attempt to stop Congress from certifying the 2020 election results to Joe Biden. 1 year after the attack, Democrats and Republicans still differ sharply over its key aspects, aftermath, and the related congressional investigation, underscoring an increasingly partisan Congress, a more divided country, and growing distrust in American democracy. Democrats have denounced the Capitol riot as an attack on democracy. However, most Republicans have downplayed its implications, especially Trump's alleged role in inciting it, and opposed an investigation into the attack. At this point, the U.S. Justice Department has charged more than 725 individuals for storming the Capitol, and more than 150 rioters have pleaded guilty to charges from assaulting police to felony obstruction.